Hello guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make a simple and tasty barfi. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a pan, add a half cup of milk, which is approximately to 125 milliliter. Then add ghee, a quarter cup, and give it a quick mix. Followed by 2 cups of milk powder, which is approximately to 195 grams, and mix well. Then add a half cup of milk once more to make the mixture light. Once your mixture is light like this, add a bit of cardamom and add 1 tablespoon of rose water and mix well. Then lastly, add 3/4 cup of sugar, which is approximately to 150 grams, and mix everything well. And let the barfi cook in a medium heat while you keep on stirring constantly so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Cook the barfi till it becomes thick like this, then take a glass bowl, apply some oil in it, then pour the barfi in it and spread it in the bowl. When spreading the barfi in the bowl, leave a bit of space so that it can be easier to remove the barfi later. Then garnish your barfi with almonds and pistachio as you can see in the video. Then shape your barfi as you can see in the video before putting it in the fridge so that it can stick well. And after some hours, your barfi is ready. Remove it from the fridge and place it on a plate and enjoy your barfis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of barfi, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.